Welcome to my channel. Learn English with Jasmine. Hi friends. Today's topic is self-introduction. Listen carefully to the conversation. And second step is to repeat and answer the questions.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Hi John, I'm Sarah. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
So, Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you, John?
I'm from Los Angeles. What do you do for a living, Sarah?
I work as a graphic designer. And what do you do, John?
I'm a software engineer. That sounds interesting. How did you get into graphic design?
Well, I've always loved art and design. I studied graphic design in college and then started working in the field. What about you? How did you become a software engineer?
I've always been interested in computers and technology. I studied computer science in university, and after graduating, I started working as a software engineer.
That's great. It's always nice to do something you're passionate about. So, John, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing basketball and going for hiking. How about you, Sarah?
I love reading and painting. It's a great way for me to relax and express myself.
That sounds really enjoyable. Do you have any favorite author?
Yes, I'm a big fan of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. What about you, John?
I'm a fan of science fiction books, and one of my favorite authors is Isaac Asimov.
Oh, that's interesting.
By the way, Sarah, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. She's my little furry companion. How about you, John?
I have a dog named Max. I love to spend time with him.
That's lovely. Pets can bring so much joy to our lives. So, John, have you traveled to interesting places?
Yes, I've been fortunate enough to visit a few countries. Some of my favorite places include Japan, France, and Australia. How about you, Sarah?
I've been to a few European countries like Italy and Spain. I also visited Mexico once. There are still so many places I want to explore though.
I feel the same way. There's so much to see in the world. Sarah, what's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm a big fan of Italian food. I love pizza and pasta. And what do you love to eat, John?
I enjoy Mexican food a lot. Tacos and nachos are some of my favorites.
Yum! Now I'm getting hungry. Maybe we should grab a bite to eat sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. We should definitely plan a lunch or dinner outing.
I'd love that. Let's exchange numbers and find a time that works for both of us.
Sure, here's my phone. Let's exchange numbers.
Now it's your turn to speak. I will ask you some questions based on the conversation you heard before. This will help you to practice your speaking skills and pronunciation. Hi, my name is Jasmine. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do for a living? That's good. So what are your hobbies? By the way, do you have a pet animal? Have you ever traveled to any country? I have traveled to Italy. And I love Italian food. What is your favorite food? Yummy. I think we should plan a lunch together. Can I have your phone number, please? Bye, see you later. Well done, learners. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Comment down below, how many answers were you able to give? If you like the video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.